Hey guys, it's Ben from the Bowman Library Youth Services back with another video. I just wanted to do a quick feature on some of the displays that we have going on in the Bowman Library Children's section, one of which is gardening, very apropos for the month of May and the season of spring, and the other is in celebration of Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. So, for gardening, one of the books that we have featured is called Down to Earth. Now, this is by Michael Rosen, but it features 41 different children's authors and illustrators in here, giving their own stories and excerpts about gardening with some helpful tips as well. So not only it's a fun book to explore, but quite an assembly of talent as well. In addition to that, we also have A Handful of Sunshine, a book by Melanie Eclair about a girl who plants a sunflower seed and watches as the flower grows into something incredible. So not only it's fun and colorful for the season, but also quite informative too. So for Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, we have two amazing books for that as well. One of which is Awesome Asian Americans, 20 Stars Who Made America Amazing. And not only I love the comic book sort of colorful style that this book has, but it has some incredible stories in here from people ranging from animators to public figures to athletes. It's an incredible one that I would absolutely recommend to anybody. And in addition to that, we have a children's book called Yes We Will by Kelly Yang. This one features folks from Kamala Harris to Yo-Yo Ma to Jeremy Lin and everybody in between there. And this is another, again, very fun, colorful style to the book, and also an incredible way of introducing some incredible Asian Americans who have contributed so much to this country. So make sure to check them out. The gardening display is over by the computers as you first enter the children's section. And the Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage section is over by the STEAM kits over near the bathrooms over on the left wall. So please come and enjoy those books, and we look forward to seeing you at the library soon. Have an amazing rest of your day.